Good day to all super Momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super Momshies, today we are going to make a flower vase out of cling film roll and hair bumpits. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. Okay, super Momshies, this is the cling film. The roll inside this one. Okay, I cut it already. So I took the size that I need. So this is also the CD and the hair bumpits. This one. This is what I'm going to use. Alright. With the foam sheets. And of course, the glue gun. So I attach already this cling film roll with the CD as the base. Okay, super Momshies, this is how it looks like, and we will put some additional details. Finally, Super Momshies, I have now new flower vase made of hair bumpits. This is my flower. This was made from the previous videos. Since they took my old flower vase, I have to make another flower vase. So this is it. So before we will end up the video, I would like to shout out to everybody, for subscribers and non-subscribers and silent viewers. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, babushi.